Hey you guys, so today I'm headed to TJMAXX to see what kind of high-end makeup deals I can find on brands we all love at Sephora and Ulta, but we don't want to pay that full price. So y'all, I'm talking discounted at 50% off, 40% off, even 10% off. Y'all, even 10% off, you're still saving money on high-end makeup. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. BTW, if you've never seen this face for hi, nice to meet you guys. Hope you guys join the family. Press the subscribe button down below and tap that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Every time I upload a video. Boyfriend, I did that for you. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright guys, we are at TJMAXX. You guys, we're at a different one this time just because I wanted to switch things up a little bit, but can we appreciate how nice this one looks? You guys, we have found the mother load. Look at all of these contour cream palettes. Alright guys, these are all the goodies that I found. We got some old, but some new. So I know I've showed you both of these MAC Very Valuable Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color Kits, but I wanted to share you something. So this is what Kit 1 looks like, and then this is what Kit 2 looks like. So this one has 2 browns, and this one has 2 pinks. So that's the difference. And these kits, you guys, are only on clearance for just $20. Now you guys, I know this is not high-end at all, but you guys, I found some Ardell Demi Wispies. Look, a whole pack of them. And these were originally priced at $10, and now it's only $7.99. Next, I know I got this before, but I just want to show you guys. I found the Makeup Forever Artistic Eye Must Have Kit. And this was originally $18, and now it's only $12.99. You guys, I love how they secured it. I can appreciate it. Oh, you know. Next, I found these beautiful Real Techniques Bold Metal Collection brushes. You guys, how pretty are these? This one's a tapered brush, and it is only $5.99 and originally priced at $9. And this one is a flat contour brush, and this one was originally $5 and now it's only $3.99, so even cheaper. So of course I found the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, but you guys get this. It's actually on clearance for $20. You guys, I bought it for $24.99, so you are saving $5. I also found from Kat Von D the Shade and Light Eye Contour Quad in Plum. You guys remember the one I first found was broken, and this one looks kind of tampered with, so I'm not even gonna try. And just in case you guys were curious, this was originally $15 and now it's only $9.99. Y'all, this should be on clearance. And oh yeah, I found the Aurora Kit, and it is also secure, so hopefully no one tampered with it. And these were originally $42 and now it's only $24.99. You guys, I seriously want to get it just because of the packaging. Next, I found this CC Cream from Bobbi Brown. You guys, I think this is a first. And this was originally priced at $58 and now it's only $29.99. Oh my gosh, you guys, how exciting is this? I found a Kevyn, oh my gosh, can't even say his name right. I found a Kevyn Aucoin Makeup product. It's the Eyeshadow Duo. And you guys, this product is only on clearance for $10. Y'all, Kevyn Aucoin. Last but not least, I found this Shiseido eyelash curler. You guys. So I'm showing you guys this eyelash curler because this is Jeanine Amapola's favorite eyelash curler, and you guys know her lashes are bomb. And this is what she uses. If you don't believe me, check out her latest video. So this is originally $19.50. Ooh, girl, Jeanine. And now it's only $12.99. Oh my gosh, Jeanine Amapola, if you are watching this, I don't know how you would be, but if you are, can you let a girl know if that is the exact eyelash curler you use from Shiseido? So again, these are the goodies that I found at this TJMAXX. And just in case you guys are curious, they have more of these Real Technique brushes. Here's some more. Here's some more. So many. They even have a new Japonesque buffing brush. You guys, I haven't seen this one, so I'm kind of tempted. Alright guys, well that concludes the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a girl a thumbs up if you did. And I have officially just one more video until I announce the grand prize, the Anastasia Beverly Hills a Modern Renaissance palette. So remember to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I love you guys so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!